Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normalization never end. Today, another one just happened. If you see the new release, these are brother. In fact, I will not call it blasting. I will call it an advice given to Seun or Seun Fela Ali Kuti. In fact, if you really want to hear from this our brother, make sure you are following him on traveling vlog to get all the latest updates. You are going to learn a lot from him. Remember, he dey name am and he dey talk am as he be. I really want to talk too much. I want to listen to him and I'll be right back.
Seun Kuti, stop being Fela. Say Fela born you no mean say you go fit act like Fela. I'm being real with you, bro. Be yourself. Go and find your potentials. You understand? Say you be Fela pikin no mean say your music go rain like your papa. Trust me. You are an intelligent young man, but I'm gonna tell you this. Find your roots to success. You are not successful in your music. Never successful in your music. Not be because say you dey bash Biafra. You've never been successful in your music. Seun Kuti. Never, you will never success. You have been playing music for the past 30 years or 25 years. You know if you build house, build house, they read for and you say you are successful. You are not successful. You make a video. I watched some of your video where you say you still talk about the Biafrans. You mention some revolutionaries who did not run away from imperialists. All these people where you mentioned for imperialists, where we say they are revolutionaries, they were all gone. They buy all of them. You are expecting Mazi Simon Ekpa to come back to Nigeria and fight the way other people come on. Those of una where they follow Seun Kuti, listen. Una will be Nigerians. When una they follow celebrities, make una they learn how to analyze when that person talk. Not be everything where that person talk, you just agree. That's what make me different from you guys. Trust me. Person when una they follow no suppose they write all the time. Not even me. Some of una where they follow me, I no feel they write all the time. Waiting I they do. Counter me if I do it. No, don't just praise me all the time. Seun Kuti, you will never be successful like Fela. It's impossible. Never. You play music for 20-something years now. No, I understand. Say you they build your house, you get house where you they struggle to build and all that. But waiting they pay me, not be say I suppose come the yeah you. I no suppose come the yeah Fela pikin for social media. But waiting they make me vex be say Fela pikin they come social media come the yeah Igbo people. Fela pikin they come social media come the yeah Igbo people say as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey for make the man pine for there. And you call yourself a freedom fighter or a revolutionary. I talk say I no go talk to you, but this get spirit where they push me make I just make this video. You get video where I post. I said it many times. There are 3 places you are supposed to find a freedom fighter. Exile. As a freedom fighter, if you see say the people where you they fight, you no go fit fight them within. You go to an exile. You fight them from afar, or you dey for prison, or you go there for your grave. Let me explain to you. You don't have to fight how Nelson Mandela fights. You don't have to fight how other people fight. Their era is different from your era. This is era of technology. Simon Ekpa is in Finland. And there are people that are fighting on ground. Okay, hold on. As a revolutionary, you are on social media talking about how the elites are, the corruption left, right, and center. Tell me how you are going to fight the system. How do you fight the system? Tell me how you are going to fight the system. It's not by sitting on social media and talk all the time. That's not how to fight the system. If you want to fight the system, stop talking on social media. Okay, you are one Nigerian, Isabi. Then fight them. How do you take over the system? It's not about talking. We have been talking on social media. It's time for action. If you're a real revolutionary, that is why I respect Sowore. Sowore, I respect him. People where they fight for the common man, not be only one road they enter market. Not be only one road. We don't sit down, check and say, this one Nigeria no go work. How else do we fight the system? The system itself is fighting itself. The only thing we can do now is like, okay, the Biafran war has never ended. We are the victim. Seun Kuti, you are not the victim. You are not a victim. Omo Yoruba near. Yoruba are not the victim. We are the Igbo people. We are the victim of the circumstances. If you are a real revolutionary, just like Sowore, you're not going to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I swear. You are nothing but an ethnic bigot. You war Lenue. You they talk about Obi. Lenue. You they condemn Obi. Then who are you going to put to fight the system? Peter Obi. Even though he's enemy of Biafra, but he's also fighting the system in a kind. But you, Lenue Omo Seun Kuti. Omo Alenia mo ti sọ pé Omo Alenia ìwọ gan bó ṣe wà yẹn ò ń ṣe ọmọ Fẹlá mi ò rò bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ọmọ Fẹlá gidi ni ẹ. If now your papa there alive, your papa no go fight Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, never. He know how the system works. From 1914, he know the history. That's why your father used music to fight the system. Go and count all your brothers. You have 2 brothers who are doctors. Seun Kuti and the other. How did all those people buy the system? Might buy all your families, your grandmama, your papa, your uncles. Then Seun Kuti, how are you going to fight the system? You are 40-something years old. Tell me how you can fight the system. Aniko Sofumi Boshele, how do you take back? How do you take it back? If you can't take it back, the next thing you do is fight for division. Let's try. If you see anything where you do what you don't do and for 6 years, you know work. Change. Thank you very much. Make I know the shout now for police station I did. When I see the police waiting me here, some people won't enter police station. They don't know what they want to do. So make it not be like say at the shout. You know, if not abroad now, or if not for zoo now, police go to shout on me. Now my right to day here talk because I'm a taxpayer. They no care say at the shout. If I take na zoo now, they go don't come now, come to shout me. But make I come once. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on my next video.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst as I give you all the updates back to back. Thank you once again and bye bye.